This is Mithu Khan Ahaata Rawalpindi. One can see the pre-partition historic buildings scattered all over the Rawalpindi city. These designs were simply superb. In this part of the city, there is no concept of footpath. Footpaths are occupied by shopkeepers. The dilemma of child labor can be easily observed in this area. And it's really sad to say this. This region of Rawalpindi is specifically famous for spare parts of cars. Precisely speaking, scrap car parts from different countries are imported in Pakistan and sold in these types of markets. Just go there and name the car, and they will provide you with gear and engine assembly if you want at a very reasonable price. These spare parts are known as Kabuli parts in the local language. The reason for this specific name is that most of the parts are sourced from Kabul. Bikes are usually parked on the road to grab as much surface area as possible. This is usually done to facilitate a customer if anyone comes on their shop. Therefore, traffic blockages are considered to be a normal part of the routine for the ones who daily commute from here. The pedestrians are forced to walk on the road. So that's all for now. If you have stumbled upon my channel for the very first time, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Stay connected and we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.